Hey guys, so new package, should be a fun video. Let's unbox it here, and if you haven't checked out my other videos, what I typically do is I unpackage some men's clothes, typically underwear, swimwear, describe it, kind of why I bought it, and then I do a try on depending on what it is, but I may have to put it on some of my other sites. So if you're really interested, do check out my other sites for the try on. But you know, this channel is really for interested people in men's clothing, often folks that are pretty deep in the subject. So let's check this one out. And I always have to say this, but don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, hit the notifications, it helps me out. So what I did is I ordered from a company that I've ordered before, but it's PetitQ. So it's pretty exotic clothing here. It's not your everyday wear from this brand typically, but I actually forgot what I ordered, so it delivered pretty fast, but I'm trying to remember what I got, and you know, it's somewhat of a surprise. So let's see. So I got this. Got three things. Let's just start with the one I picked up first. So this is a red item, clearly. PetitQ.net. It's not a sponsored video. Paid for this with my own money. This is a PQ191256 in red and medium. You can't even see that. So what is it? Oh yeah, I remember what I got now. So they had modal fabrics, and modal is a pretty soft, very comfortable fabric. It's probably one of my favorite fabrics. Maybe I like bamboo just a bit more, but this is very nice. And they had one that had somewhat of a torpedo pouch, which I'm not always a huge fan of, but I had to try it with this fabric. So it's a reddish orange collar with a very bulging pouch, and it has a traditional tee back to it, and so that will be fun. Oh no, it is 95% bamboo and 5% spandex. So I was confused. This was the bamboo fabric that I prefer. 5% spandex. Highly recommended. You can go back and look at some of my other videos. There's some Chinese brand thongs off of Amazon that have bamboo, and they're one of my favorites of the year. Alright, a red one with blue lining. What's the next one? So PQ210152, black, and not sure if I remember how exotic I got here. So, oh yeah, this is a bodysuit in black, obviously. And I think this was a jock style. Black. Pretty stretchy. There's always a risk with bodysuits, they're not going to be tall enough for me. Should stretch. It's got a little bit of a logo on there. It's kind of fun. So it's kind of hard to see. It's always a puzzle with these things. So here's the bottom. Front kind of t-shirt in black. Like that. And you flip it over. It's going to have a more strap back and then a jock back here. So this is fun. Always, exciting to try these on. 82% nylon and 18% spandex, so pretty good materials. Okay, what was the last one? Alright, so it's like a lavender, and this is also a tea back. Okay, and it has, oh, look how small that pouch is. Wow. It has a bulge pouch. And it's not going to be as torpedo-like. This is a more traditional bulge pouch. This one I expect to look pretty good. It's not very big pouch. So I got it in a medium. Made in China, and this is very weird. It's 95% modal and 5% spandex. I wonder what the big difference is between the real fabric of modal and bamboo. Yeah, so this one's bamboo, this one's modal. The bamboo feels nicer, but modal's pretty good too. So that's the order. These, because they're so comfortable, as long as they fit, I'll wear them much more routinely. This one is just kind of for fun pictures. So I'm going to try these on. Due to the nature of them, I can't show them on YouTube. Do check them out in other locations. My link in my bio, as they say. So let me know if you have any questions. Pretty excited about this. Shipping was very fast. No problems in ordering from this website. So check them out. Later, everyone.